Welcome to Subtitle Off. This is a podcast where we talk about different topics and help you learn English in a fun and natural way. Today, we're talking about trucks. Let's hit the road.
Welcome back to Subtitle Off, the podcast where we talk real English from the road. Nick, it's winter season again. How's the weather treating you out there?
Oh man, it's been rough. Last week I got stuck in Wyoming. Snowstorm hit out of nowhere. Visibility was like 10 feet.
Wow, that sounds scary. What do you even do in that situation?
First thing, slow down and keep distance. I pulled into a rest area when it got bad. The DOT shut down the interstate anyway, so we were all parked for hours.
Really? They just closed the highway?
Yep. They put big gates across the road. When it says road closed due to weather, that's it. You wait it out. Some guys try to keep driving, but that's how accidents happen.
What about chains? I always hear drivers talking about chaining up. What's that like?
Oh, chaining. Every driver's nightmare. Basically, when there's heavy snow or ice, certain mountain passes, much like Donner or Snoqualmie, require you to put chains on your drive tires. It helps with traction, but it's cold, heavy, and takes forever.
How long does it take to put them on?
If you're fast, 20 minutes. If it's freezing, dark, and windy, could be an hour. Your hands go numb, chains are covered in snow, and you're thinking, why didn't I become a dentist instead?
Haha, I can imagine. Do you have to take them off right after?
Yeah, once you're through the pass and see the chains off area sign, you stop, take them off, and keep rolling. It's a workout, trust me.
Sounds like it. Any tips for new drivers dealing with winter weather?
Oh yeah, never rush. It's better to be late than in a ditch. Keep extra food and water. Always have warm gloves, chains, and windshield fluid that doesn't freeze. And most important, listen to weather updates and road closures.
That's great advice. Have you ever been completely stuck?
Yep. Once in Montana, I was snowed in for 2 days at a truck stop. We all helped each other, shared food, talked, watched movies in the lounge. Truckers' version of a snow party.
That's kind of wholesome, actually.
Yeah, trucking's not just about miles. It's about surviving the road and helping your neighbors.
I love that. So for our English learners, let's go over some key phrases. Chaining up, putting snow chains on your tires, road closure, when the highway is blocked, low visibility, when you can't see clearly because of snow or fog, black ice, thin, invisible layer of ice on the road.
Perfect list. And one more. Better parked than wrecked. That's every trucker's winter motto.
I love that. Stay safe out there, Nick.
Thanks, Emma. And to all the drivers listening, take it slow, chain up if you have to, and keep the shiny side up.
See you next time on Subtitle Off. Real English from the road.